Hey, Howard here at 82 Maple. And you seen the video where I had a little welding done and got some trailer balls put on the large bucket here. But how do I hit the mark? With the first shot every time. Well, got a little something here. Yep, mounted a little camera there. It's on a magnet. I could actually switch it over to the other side if I wanted or needed to. And I've got it rigged up. If you're wondering why my lights are on while it's still daylight, I've got it rigged up so that the camera only comes on and it doesn't annoy me the rest of the time. It only comes on when I turn my lights on. And so here's my view from inside the cab. As you can tell, without the camera, there's my view. No trailer ball in sight. There you have it. Hey, and now for the rest of the story. So, in the preamble to this video, the trailer was parked just there in front of the 1950 Mercury. And I need to thread the needle. I've got to get that trailer to prevent a lot of shovel work. We're trying to dump some topsoil in here for coral. 3 yards of it to be exact, right there. I just threw down some marker boards so that we know kind of where we're at when scooping that up in future. And so, as you can see, getting a trailer and backing it in there is going to be interesting at best, but only made possible by connecting it to a tractor with a ball on the bucket to move it around. Let's do this.